Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram notification not showing. So let's get started. Well, if someone sends you a message on Instagram or someone posted a post or a reel or whatever, so you don't receive any kind of notification on Instagram, here what we're gonna do, so here you need to make sure of that the do not disturb mode is turned off. So we're gonna swipe from the right corner of your screen, and as you see here, it is turned on. So if you turn them on, calls and notification will be silenced. So all the calls and all the notification will be silenced, and it's including the Instagram notification. So make sure to turn it off. And now the second thing, or the second reason, you might have turned Instagram notification off and you forgot. So you have to turn it on again. So you open up your settings and then tap on notifications and control center. Here tap on app notifications and now look for Instagram. So here if it's toggled off, then toggle it on, and like that you will receive Instagram notification. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.